Arr! We've discovered a Lego vehicle collection. Come along and learn about trucks, cars, and me favorite, pirate ships. Let's go. Ahoy, Cubs! I'm Mr. Albie. Arr!
Why are you talking like that?
Today, I'm a pirate on my big pirate ship. You can be pirates too. Arr! We're in search for our next learning adventure. Whoa, we've hit upon some land. We need to go down our pirate ship slide. Come with me. Let's slide down. We've hit upon, Lego Blocks Island. Let's see if we can explore and find some treasure.
Let's go find the treasure.
Arr, come with me through this museum of vehicle Lego treasures. Whoa, what do we have here? We've got 3 sports cars, brightly colored, an orange one, a blue one, and finally, what color is this? A green one. Wowza! And now for some more cool cars made of Lego. We have a red F1 racer right here, an orange and blue one, a green race car. This looks to me like a V8 supercar. It can go as fast as 300 kilometers per hour or about 186 miles per hour. Now that's super fast. And some red supercars. Vroom. Check out these cars in the car carrier trailer. This truck is super strong and can carry so many cars. Arr! Big trucks and construction vehicles. Arr! Vroom! Let's marvel at these trucks and construction vehicles. Vroom! These trucks have massive wheels like monster trucks. Trucks are great because they are super strong and can carry heavy loads. Now this excavator and this backhoe are both construction vehicles that can dig big holes. Arr! 2 twin trucks! They sure look alike. Check out this bright yellow front loader. And check out its bucket. It can dig things up and lift them high. Wowza! Take a look at these cranes. You can see it's got a long arm so that it can reach up and carry very heavy things and take them to other places. There are also crane trucks, which help lift, lower, or move really heavy objects. Some of these crane trucks have really long arms that can stretch up high into the sky. Oh no, there's a problem with the railroad tracks. Lucky, these two yellow cranes are here to help lift up those train tracks and put them in their place. Cranes really are useful to lift and move heavy objects like those long metal train tracks. Aha ha ar ar ha. Ooh. Ahoy there! Have a look ye at these trains. Let's follow these train tracks and look at different kinds of trains. Choo-choo. A train is a series of connected vehicles that travel along railroad tracks. Just like this green train, the trains follow the train tracks going to different train stations to take passengers all around the city. Trains can also be used to transport cargo like food, coal, and even other vehicles like cars. Look at these motorbikes. They can sure drive fast. Vroom. These motorcycles and dirt bikes have two wheels, and they're used to transport people from one place to the other. Shoo! And now for some planes and aircraft. Airplanes soar through the air, and you can take an airplane to fly to different parts of the world. Airplanes are also useful to carry cargo to different countries. If an airplane isn't flying up in the sky, you probably see them resting at the airport. Other types of aircraft include the propeller plane and the float plane. Now this plane can land in the water. Arr! Take a look at these helicopters and emergency vehicles. Arr. Emergency helicopter vehicles like this one are useful to rescue people in need or those that need medical attention. Because they're small, they can fit in tight spaces and fly quickly to safety. Three, two, one, lift off with these rockets and spaceships! Up in space, you can really see these space vehicles and machines like the Space Shuttle Discovery, this is the International Space Station where crews of astronauts live in space. Here's the Apollo 11 spacecraft, which was used for the first mission to land humans on the moon. And the Hubble Space Telescope. This powerful telescope helps us to see out into space. These are my most favorite vehicles in the world. Boats and ships, and especially pirate ships. Now the special thing about ships and pirate ships is that on them you can travel the vast seas. Cars and planes can't help you do that, only ships are. But there are other types of water vehicles like yachts, sailboats, steamships, and even cargo ships that can carry goods and materials. Arr! We looked far and wide at this Lego block vehicle museum. We found the strongest trucks, the fastest race cars, different trains, and we even found some of my favorite ships, which are, of course, pirate ships. Arr! Oh, we saw all these vehicle treasures, but I didn't find any treasure chest.
An X!
You're right. And you know what that means? This must be treasure. Right here, there's a treasure chest. Let's lift it up. Oh, let's open up our treasure chest. And inside, no, there isn't gold, isn't jewels. It's even better. Inside is a wonderful pirate ship. My favorite treasure. Arr! Arr! See you again soon for our next Cub Wings learning adventure.